Okay guys, this one is another TEMU haul. This is probably my 5th or 6th TEMU haul. Check out my other videos, you'll be able to see the random stuff that I got. So this one is just a combination of stuff. So let us see what came in the package. Okay, this first item here. So this one is a bag. Vintage corduroy shoulder bag. Okay. There it is. It's a shoulder bag. Okay, this one here, that's the second order. It worked so well for me. It's a door stopper to get rid of all the draft that is coming through your door, or to keep pests or animals out. So it's door stopper, so you put it under the door. The last one worked so well for me, so I decided to get another one for another door of mine. So I'll just quickly show you what it looks like. This is it here. This one is 36 inches long. So if your door is shorter, you could cut it to suit. Let's see what else again came. This here is a set of mini screwdriver set. I remember ordering this one. Nonetheless, it came. So if you have to do some repairs on some tiny stuff like your computer, your cell phone, it has all the bits and everything in it. This goes in here, and it will be able to give you the flexibility so that you could do the work, to be able to fix and get your screwdriver working. This one here, this is just for you to clean your windows, your computer, whatever it is that you need to clean. It's a little brush that will be able to go in the crevices, the cracks, so that you're able to clean your windows, your computer, anything that is small. Nice and flexible. Remember guys, I'll put the price up in the corner up here, so you'd be able to see how much I paid for these things. See what else again came. As I said guys, these are just small items for my kitchen and random for myself. This is a fruit peeler. Peel your potatoes, your apples, your pears, whatever fruits that you have to peel. Just simple fruit peeler. This one is the price, in terms of the price, this one is under $1. But I'll still stick the price up so that you'll be able to see. This one here, that's a set of food grade disposable gloves. It's about 100 in the pack. So anytime you have to do anything involving food and you need to season, you need to do certain things, and you want to protect your hands, it's good. It's food grade, so you could use it in your kitchen. This also here. Now for me, I ordered this one because sometimes I have difficulty with my hands in opening the jar. So this is an opener. It's a bottle opener. So it has the various sizes. For the larger jars, you use this size, and it depends on whatever. And even the smaller jars. So you grip the jar. For instance, I've got a jar here. You grip it in it, and you're just able to turn and it opens it right away for you. Alright, excellent tool. If you have problems with gripping, some of these jars they're very tight. You could just open them very easily. So finish with that stuff. So right now I'm going to show you some shoes that I bought. So this one is a pair of ladies sandals. Now if you check out my other video, Shem shoes, you'll see the haul that I got. I got 2 pairs of sandals from Shem, and if I have to compare the 2 of them in terms of prices, I find TEMU shoes a bit cheaper. They're more reasonably priced. This one is just like a beach sandals, very flat and comfortable. Again, I'll put the price so that you'll be able to see it. This is a size 42. Nice grips, good for the weather in case it's rainy weather or you go to the beach. It's a nice pair of sandals. I'll try it on so that you'll be able to see how it fits. Okay, and this other one, this is another pair of sandals. Just open it up here. Okay, so this one is more practical a little. It's a little heel. Also have good grips so that you could walk through whatever weather, in terms of rainy weather, that you wouldn't fall. And it also has this edged hair. Looks like it's sewn. I'm hoping that it is sewn and it's not stuck. Very beautiful ladies sandals. So what I will do, I will try on these sandals and you'll be able to see how they fit. But don't forget, check out my other video. I'll put the link at the top so that you'll be able to see what I got from Shin shoes. I say Shem, but it's Shin shoes. So you could check it out and you could see the sandals and you could compare the prices. But I will put the prices of all of them for you. So this is what I got today. Guys, please let me know. Please like my videos and let me know what you think so that I could probably order some more stuff. This video is not sponsored. It's just stuff that I ordered, things that I need for myself. Alright, so there it is. Please let me know what you think. On TEMU. TEMU is an online store. Very cheap stuff you get. And you could also do reviews on it. And hopefully it will work well for you. So guys, have a great day. Don't forget, it's Calabash Green product review. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Comfortable. Size 42.